Today I'm going to give you an updated tour of my 3DS collection. I've bought a bunch of more games since that last video from eBay because they had some very good prices and it also came with the cases. So right here is my actual 3DS and I keep it in this My Melody case because it's very sturdy and it was pretty cheap. I bought it from Amazon, and then I have this cute keychain that says Angel, which is my name, on the side. So here is my actual 3DS, and I made this case myself as well as this keychain that has swirlix on it, and this is the pink and white one. I also have a 2DS, which I'll show you guys later. This is the case that I keep my 2DS in, and it's also my Melody, which is my favorite Sanrio character. And I keep it in this plush one. I bought this one from Amazon a while back. I'm not sure if it's still there, but I will leave a link if it is. And I also made this case myself, and I was really proud of it. I love the pink and the shining crystals or rhinestones that I put on it. Now this one has way more because I've had my 2DS for a longer time and I had it when the eShop was still open, so I still have the themes and the badges and stuff. So now I'm going to show you the games that I've added to my collection. So the first game is this very cute Seal game, and you raise them up and there's cute mini games. You can also dress them up, and I believe they can have baby seals as well. And right here is this My Melody case where I keep all my games. So when I show you the cases, the games aren't inside of them because I like to keep them all in one place, and if I travel I don't want to bring the case around with me. And then right here is this really cute idle game, and it also comes with cards inside. I've been enjoying playing that game as well. Then right here is Kuma Tomo, or Teddy Together if you live in the UK, I believe it's called that in the UK. And that game, you just raise a teddy bear and it's very cute. And then right here is Pokemon X. Now I've had this one for a while, but I'm just going to show you guys every game that's in my collection, but that's the original one I bought, and then this is the World Edition that was from Amazon. I had to rebuy this game because I lost my original, but it plays just the same, but sometimes I think the World Edition is worth less or something like that, but yeah. And then here is Alpha Sapphire. It's another one I've had for a while, and this one is also a World Edition. And this one is new to my collection, and it's Pokemon Sun. And I already have Pokemon Moon, so I decided to get Sun. And I bought the Japanese version so I could play it on my Japanese 3DS because it's region locked. I know there's a way around it, but I'd rather not do it. And then right here is Mario Kart 7. And this one I had for a while as well. I bought it pre-owned from GameStop a while back. And the next game is also new to my collection, and this is Pokemon Ultra Moon, and I've never played this game before, so I'm really excited to finish it. And I mostly bought it because of the Ultra Wormholes, I believe it's called. And they did add some really fun things to this version, so I'm really excited to try it out. And then the next game is also new, and this is Pokemon Rumble Blast, I believe. I loved Pokemon Rumble World, so I decided to give this one a try as well. I will say I do like Rumble World just a little bit more, but this game is also cute as well. And then this has been in my collection for a while, thanks to Tomas, which is one of my subscribers and friends. They very nicely gave me Pokemon Black 2 because I really wanted it and I would talk about it every stream. So I thought that was really nice. And if you don't know about my main channel, that's where I do all my gaming related streams and playthroughs. So if you guys are interested, make sure to check the description so you can get a link to the channel. And then right here is Nintendogs, and this is the Chihuahua and Friends. I have the Labrador and Friends, that's the one I had since my childhood, but I wanted to buy that one because I've always wanted the Chihuahuas because they're so cute. And then here is Pokemon Y, and this is what's in my 3DS right now. And I'm on the 7th gym badge, so I'm getting close to the end. And I'm really excited. And this is one of my favorite Pokemon games. I love the Kalos region. And then some of my games don't have cases, but this is one that I've had for a while, and this is Pokemon Pearl version. And then this is Sonic Rush. I bought this from Walmart when I was younger. And then this is just the Nintendogs, Chihuahua and Friends I showed you. And then Pokemon Sun, Pokemon Ultra Moon, and here is that cute seal game, and here is Pokemon White version. I had this since it came out when I was younger. I'm surprised it's in good shape because I will show you my Nintendogs and it's not in good shape. But this is Pokemon Moon, and I bought this one a while ago as well. It didn't come with a case even though on the listing it showed it did, but whatever. I still wanted it, so. And then this is the Kuma Tomo game where you get to raise a teddy bear, and this is the Idol game. And here is Kingdom Hearts Dream Drop Distance. I bought this pre-owned from GameStop, and it came with the case, but it was so nasty. It had like sand and stuff in it, so I just rather not keep the case on my shelf. And then this is the Nintendog Lab and Friends that I had since I was a kid, and it's very worn out. And then here is Pokemon Alpha Sapphire, and here is the Pokemon Black 2, and Pokemon Ranger Guardian Signs. I love this game. I bought this from Walmart around when it just released. And then this is Puzzles and Dragons, which was nicely included with my 3DS when I bought it off of eBay, so thanks to the seller. And then this is the Pokemon Rumble Blast. And this is just an extra SD card. And yeah, that's everything that's in that pouch. So I'm just going to put these all back in. Now that I showed you all the games, I want to show you my charms and stylus that I have for my 3DS and 2DS because I keep a lot of them and I'm really proud of them. Right here is this very cute clear Victini charm that I made, and I also have this star wand. I think that was on a keychain and it came off. And then here's this very cute Diancie phone strap. And I have another one as well, but it's not on the strap right now. And then here are just some more charms that aren't on a strap at the moment. And then right here are my Mario stylus. I love them so much. They're so extra, but they're so cute. And they come with caps at the bottom so you can protect the bottom of the stylus pin. And then that one has like the brick on it and then the fire flower. And then this one has the question mark block and the mushroom. And I just love that they match the charm that's at the top. And these are from a gacha machine and you just put them together. I bought them off of eBay. It came in a set, so if you guys want to get it as well, I can show you. And then I believe that's the AR card. For some games you can use it, like Nintendogs and cats. You can use the AR cards for the dog competitions. And then inside of my 3DS case, I have another one of the Mario stylus, And this one is my favorite because it's pink, of course, and it has the star on top. So those are all the new games that I added to my collection. Let me know if you added anything new to any of your gaming collections, and I'll see you in the next video.